So we showed you how to take grilled chicken to a whole new level, but apparently that was not good enough. Well, how about we show you how to make it even quicker and even easier? Hey, glad to see you. Okay, the method that we're using today may not be all that quicker, but it is a heck of a lot easier. And the time it'll free you up from having to tend to a grill will make it seem that much quicker. So there you go. See what I did there? When talking to people about grilling things like chicken, I've been asked a lot about ways to make things quick and easy on a weeknight when people are beat after working all day and they just want to make a quick and easy dinner. Or for when the weather's too severe to cook outside. Well, we are pretty confident that that will check off all these boxes and line all the planets up with Uranus, or whatever that astrological term is. So let's introduce the star of today's show. Okay, here we have the Ninja Grill. Now, I know that this is not exactly a high-tech propane, charcoal, or nuclear-powered state-of-the-art cooking machine, but when it comes to something quick and easy, especially when we're talking chicken or pork chops, this little baby actually does work very well. And as you'll see, we utilize this thing quite a bit. Okay, we're going to go over real quick how to program our Ninja Grill for this particular cook. And so we bring it on, we're going to start with grill mode, and we're going to leave it in the high setting. We're going to go over here to preset, and here you see it's got pre-selected programs. We got beef, chicken, pork, fish. So we're going to go back to chicken, take that, and then we just hit start. And it's now going to go through its cycle pre-warm, and it'll tell us when to add food. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add some food. And this is actually the second batch that we cooked today. What we do is for prep on this chicken, sprayed it down with a little bit of avocado oil, and then coated it evenly with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And we just put the temp probe in, and then the system will now monitor. And as you see right here, it gave us a target temperature of 170 degrees and telling us our current temperature is here at show 96. And when it's climbing real fast like that, what I found is that usually means that the probe is not quite in the center. I'm just going to find a better place to put the probe. Now that looks a lot better. Now you can see we've got a target temperature 170, and here it's telling us we've got current temperature in there is right around 60. When it gets up to roughly between 120 to 140, it'll then give us a signal of when to flip the food. So it's one of those things we don't have to sit here and babysit, but you do need to listen because it'll give you a beep and it'll say flip food, but it won't stay on the screen. But if you hear the beep, and you're not sure to come back, if it's somewhere between 120 to 140, just go ahead and flip the food and then it'll continue on. When we get to the final cycle, you'll see that it then just shuts itself off and tells us to remove it. It gave us flip food at 122 degrees. So if you watched our grilling, when we did this on the outside grill, you saw that we waited to do the butter until after the chicken was fully cooked. Because we didn't want to flare up from the grill and burn the butter and burn the chicken. So the difference here, now we can go ahead and coat this a little bit. Butter's a little bit hard from being in the cooler.
Smells good.
Yeah, I definitely wish we had smell of it, and it definitely does. Alright, so we'll go ahead and let this finish. Okay, let's see what we got. So how does that look for some decent little chicken for you. We'll get this guy to play along with his trim. All right, so here we have Ninja Grill Cowboy Butter grilled chicken. So now we'll do a taste test and see how this stuff works out.
Hurry up.
All right, here we go. One of the things that I really love about using the grill like this, see if I can show you, the chicken will cook all of the way through. You don't have to worry about it. As easy as it is to use, literally once you, in the words of Ron Popeil, set it and forget it. You can walk away doing other things, but it really does monitor. It doesn't overdo it. You get the temp probe so it doesn't dry it out, and yet you can see there's no raw chicken here. Now let's see how we did as far as the flavor. And I'll say, on a grill, you get the advantage of the charring, comes up off the flame and everything. Having the open flame is an advantage. But the nice thing about this, the advantage with this compound butter that we use, we're able to put the butter on while we cook it, and it actually does kind of permeate through the meat a lot better. When we do it on the grill, because we're wanting to flare up and burning the butter, we have to wait until we're done. This really is pretty amazing, I think. Okay, you want to go ahead and try?
Yes, sir. I'm busy. Excellent. Really good. A bit different.
So, what's your thought on that compared to the grill?
I like the Ninja more.
Yeah, I really do think I do, and I know that all my grilling buddies would get pissed off at me for saying that. But I look at it, we're still cooking in an outdoor kitchen, so it's not all that bad. But I use this indoors a lot, especially now that we got winter coming on, it's a little bit colder. But again, especially you come back at the end of the day and you just want to do something really quick. Pork chop, I've done steaks on it, and it's okay. But on the steak, I would say that I still prefer putting on the jacket and walking outside. And pretty much 9 times out of 10, I will use one of the grills versus the grill. But it's a quick, easy way to do it, and it really does work this chicken. And now, as I have a German Shepherd running in the background, now is a good time to ask you a favor. If you don't mind, just smash that like button and share this video with anyone that you think that would enjoy really good chicken, especially using a Ninja Grill, making it quick and easy. And if you haven't done so already, we definitely would love to have you subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you do click the bell icon so it does notify you when things are coming up. We have some different recipes that are coming up using this grilled chicken, but I definitely think you're going to want to try it. After you make this, please leave a comment. Tell us how you liked it. Don't hesitate to reach out to us in the comment area or on our Discord server with any suggestions or questions you have about this or any of our other recipes. We would love to hear from you. If you'd like to see a video where we turn this great grilled chicken into a grilled pasta entree, go ahead and click up here. If you'd like to see a playlist of other recipes where we use the compound butter that we used on this grilled chicken to make some amazing recipes that will definitely get you free food at McDonald's, just go ahead and click up here. And with that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.